Hello, hi everyone, this is our today's project. We already applied 2 coats of adhesion primer from Dixie Belle's lipstick, left it 24 hours and then time for the base coat with Terra clay paint. The clay paint is thicker, so great for our base coat, and also this is our favorite color, pistachio. It's a dream. I applied the paint by dabbing it to get that soft texture, and I also use a cheap brush, also great for creating texture because of the thicker bristles. Once I finished applying the first coat, I left the paint to dry for quite a few hours prior to the second coat. I started the second coat the same with pistachio, but I mostly applied on the middle now, and around it I applied evergreen. The way these colors combine, I just find it stunning. I dabbed the colors into each other until they blended nicely. It's a pretty easy blend, just make sure to add water in case the paint starts to dry and it's very hard to move it around. On those details I just overlaid a bit of paint. I did like dry brushing, so the pistachio underneath will still be peeking through. I randomly blended in some colored greens to have a darker shade. I felt like it needed it. Then we wanted to add some dark sprinkles to add to its character and make it look a bit old style. So we watered the brush, picked up paint, watered again, and this happens. We love it. Like, this was what was missing actually. The next step is applying Cooper Dixie Shine, but we need to apply first Dixie Shine glue on the areas we want to shine and be precious. And we need to leave it for 15 minutes prior to applying the Cooper foil. Exciting times! Time to apply this beauty. We just cut a bit of it and rub it on the areas we applied the glue, and look at this. We love it so much. It's literally one of our favorite products. You'll see it probably a lot in our next projects because we love it. We sealed it with 3 layers of gator hide, letting each coat to dry for about 2 hours. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. And if you did so, don't forget to subscribe for more colorful tutorials. See you soon! Bye!